Have you started cleaning up your room yet?
Not yet. I'll do it later.
I thought I asked you to clean your room earlier.
I already told you that I'm going to do it.
Remember to vacuum the floor and dust everything.
I will, don't worry.
Make sure you don't go anywhere until you clean your room.
I won't, but first let me help you finish washing the dishes.
Why is your room so messy?
I forgot to clean it.
Why? I reminded you last night.
I know, but I was busy.
Well, you're free now, so clean it.
Okay, you don't need to get mad at me.
I'm not getting mad. You need to get in the habit of cleaning your room at least once a week.
But I hate cleaning.
You still have to do it, unfortunately.
Oh, fine. We need to clean the house before Mum gets home.
You're right, look at the state of this room.
Come on, I'll vacuum the floor and you can dust the shelves.
What about the bins?
Oh yeah, I'll empty the bins.
Deal. We can both clean the toilets later.
Sounds like a good plan. Mum will be so pleased to see the house spotless.
I know, right? Let's get going.